Dear children, we have so many parts in our body. Among all those parts, sense organs are the most important organs because the sense organs tell us what is happening around us. So, let us learn about our sense organs and their functions. Nikhil's grandfather uses spectacles with thick glass, which makes his eye seem very big. He told Nikhil that he has worn these glasses ever since he was a small boy. He also advises Nikhil to have nutritious food so that his eyes remain healthy. Our sense organs: our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our 5 sense organs. They help us see pictures, hear sounds, smell things, taste food, and feel things. Eyes. Our eyes help us see all the things around us. We can see colors, shapes, sizes, work out whether the things are near or far, watch television and cinema, and read. We can see our friends, parents, brothers, and sisters, teachers, and all other people. We can do many experiments with the things with our eyes. There is another important use of eyes. We can express feelings with our eyes. Our eyes fill with tears when we are sad or cry. They start closing when we are sleepy. When you open your eyes in the morning, you can see sunlight coming through the window. What is the color of your eyes? Eye problems. Ritu is 8 years old girl. Once her teacher noticed her blinking eyes to clear her vision. She informed her parents and advised them to take her to an eye doctor. The doctor asked Ritu to wear a pair of spectacles. Ritu's parents took her to an optician who made spectacles for her. Ritu now wears spectacles. She can read the blackboard clearly. Some people cannot see things that are far away very clearly, whereas some can only see things clearly at a distance. People who can see things nearby but not the things that are far are nearsighted. Those who can see things in the distance well but not things close by are far-sighted. By wearing right kind of spectacles, they can see clearly. Are there students in your class who wear glasses? Name them. As we grow old, after the age of 40 years or more, our eyesight may need help. People have to wear spectacles or use contact lenses. Blindness. Arpita is 14 years old. She was born blind. She studies in a school in Delhi. She is good at studies. She uses a computer meant for such students. Her computer has speakers. This helps her a lot to cover her syllabus and learn many new things. A special type of script called Braille is used by the children who have lost their vision completely. Braille is a system of raised letters that help the blind to read and write. Since they cannot read with their eyes, they feel and identify the letters with their fingers. There are special schools for the blind where they are taught to read and write using Braille. Also know, Braille system of reading language is designed by a blind named Louis Braille. You must take care of your eyes. Here are some tips. Wash your eyes 4 or 5 times in a day with clean water. Do not read or study in dim light or very bright light. Do not read in a moving bus. You will strain your eyes. Do not read while lying down. Never rub your eyes. Inform your teacher or parents if you cannot read the blackboard properly. Consult an eye doctor. Ears. We hear with our ears. We hear our teacher talking, mother calling, birds singing, vehicles honking. Also, we hear the telephone ringing, the clock ticking, leaves rustling, the radio broadcasting. Some sounds are loud. We do not often like loud sounds called noise. We cannot hear clearly in a noisy place. Can you hear the announcements of the principal clearly if the children are making a noise? Too much noise around us causes noise pollution. Ritika keeps the volume of the television low. She does not want to disturb her grandparents. Hearing problems. Aman's sister cannot hear well. The doctor prescribed her a hearing aid. Her parents bought her one. She wears it in her left ear. Now she can hear things clearly. The hearing aid is a small instrument worn in the ear. It makes sounds louder and allows them to hear more clearly. Some people cannot hear at all. They are deaf. Hearing aid cannot help such people. They observe the lip movements of the people to understand what is being said. This is called lip reading. They also talk with each other by using finger gestures. This is called sign language. You must take care of your ears. Here are some tips. Do not clean your ears with a matchstick or a hairpin. Do not let water enter your ears. Dry your ears with soft, clean towel. Consult a doctor if you have an earache. Helping people with special needs. There are some people in our society who have special needs. We should be friendly with them and help them. Adi and Dia try to help their neighborhood friends Aman and Sonu. Aman cannot see. Adi records lessons from her school books for Aman. Listening to the tapes of these lessons help Aman to learn them better. Sonu is dumb and deaf. Adi and Dia know sign language. They talk to Sonu using hand movements. Adi, Dia, Aman and Sonu play together in the evening in the neighborhood park. Take the correct option. Answer the following questions. How do we see? We see with our eyes. How do people who cannot see clearly correct their vision? By wearing right kind of spectacles, they can see clearly. Why do some people wear a hearing aid? How does it help them? Some people cannot hear well. The hearing aid makes sounds louder and allow them to hear more clearly. What causes noise pollution? Too much noise around us causes noise pollution. How should we take care of our ears? Here are some useful tips to take care of your ears. Do not clean your ears with a matchstick or a hairpin. Do not let water enter your ears. Dry your ears with soft, clean towel. Consult a doctor if you have an earache. Write whether the following are true or false.
Fill in the blanks.